Welcome to the top best. The best Tesla ring key is probably one of the most convenient accessories you can get for your Model Y. Ditching the bulky key fob or relying on your phone, this sleek ring offers a seamless, keyless entry experience. But is it worth the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the Tesla ring key, exploring its features, ease of use, and whether it lives up to the promise of effortless access to your Model Y. Number 5. 7 SPARTA Key Card Holder for Tesla. This key card holder from 7 SPARTA is designed to provide extra protection for your Tesla key card. It's a convenient accessory to keep your key card safe and secure. With the included key ring, it's easy to attach this holder to your keychain or bag. You'll never have to worry about losing your key card again. The holder features a 3D modern design that complements your Tesla. The hollow design highlights the Tesla logo, adding a touch of style. Made from industrial-grade silicone, it's heat and cold resistant. The smooth material is also easy to clean, ensuring it stays in great condition. The key ring is made of painted tungsten steel with electroplating color. You don't have to worry about it fading or scratching your key card. Enjoy peace of mind with our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied with it for any reason, we'll refund your purchase. What we like. This key card holder provides excellent protection for your Tesla key card. It's designed for easy carrying with a key ring, so you won't lose it. If you often misplace your key card or want to keep it safe from damage, this is a great choice. What people say. Card fits nicely and has no problem unlocking the car. The chain and ring are also useful for other keys, fobs for my other cars and house key. It protects the card key well, fits the card key snug, and I did not have to use the key ring that came with it. Number 4. CNICK Tesla Smart Ring, Ceramic Key from Model 3Y, Black, 13. Introducing the CNICK Tesla Smart Ring, the most convenient backup key. This innovative ring is designed to replace your key card or key fob. It's a game changer for Tesla owners. Crafted from zirconia ceramic and gemstone materials, this ring is both thin and lightweight. This makes it incredibly comfortable to wear. You'll barely notice it's there. Forget about charging or battery issues. The CNICK ring is waterproof, so you can wear it all the time. No need to worry about a dead phone battery anymore. This ring works with multiple Tesla models. It's compatible with Model S and Model X, 2021 Plus, and all Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. It offers the same security as your key card. To use it, find the sensor on the B-pillar. Simply touch your knuckle to the B-pillar to unlock your car. It's that simple and convenient. What we like. The CNICK ring is a convenient and reliable backup key for your Tesla. It's waterproof, so you don't have to worry about removing it. If you are looking for a key that's always accessible and worry-free, this ring is perfect for you. What people say. The setup process was a breeze, and it connected seamlessly to my Tesla, working right out of the box. One of the standout features is the ring's ability to unlock the car doors even when my phone isn't nearby. I could even drive the car using just the ring. Number 3. COLMO Tesla Smart Ring, Model 3Y Key Fob Replacement. Introducing the COLMO Smart Ring, a sleek and convenient replacement for your Tesla Model 3 or Y key card. It's crafted from durable zirconia ceramics, ensuring a smooth and scratch-resistant surface. With the COLMO Smart Ring, accessing your Tesla is incredibly easy. Just a simple touch is all it takes. You'll never have to worry about fumbling with your phone or traditional key card again. Forget about dead phone batteries or lost connections. This ring provides instant access, so you're always ready to go. It's the perfect backup solution. The COLMO Smart Ring comes in a variety of US sizes, from 6 to 12, ensuring a comfortable fit. Simply touch the ring to the sensor for a few seconds to unlock your car. The default design is a 7mm width with no logo. We also offer laser engraving customization, allowing you to personalize the ring with names, logos, or anything you desire. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 100% return and refund policy within 6 months of purchase if you encounter any quality or fit issues. What we like. This smart ring offers easy and fast access to your Tesla. It's made of zirconia ceramics and comes in multiple sizes. If you like a stylish and convenient key solution with a customizable design, you should consider this ring. What people say. The ceramic ring looks gorgeous and is always easily available on my right ring finger, perfect for unlocking driver door and using left hand for mechanism. If fitted properly, this ring stays with you always. It doesn't use batteries. It's waterproof. It's as hard as zirconia diamonds. You never have to think about it while wearing it. This is great. I wear this as my wedding ring so it's always with me. Very convenient and it looks nice as well. This ring works as intended and is easy to set up. Number 2. LMZX Tesla Key Fob Cover for Model S3Y. Introducing the LMZX Key Fob Cover, designed specifically for your Tesla Model S, 3, or Y. This accessory is made by LMZX, a store focused on Tesla accessories. This cover is designed to fit perfectly, with space for all the buttons. You can use all the buttons as usual without any issues. Installation is simple, and it comes with screws and a small screwdriver. You can easily install it yourself. Made from premium aluminum metal, this cover is hard and durable. It will make your key fob stand out. This cover protects your Tesla remote from scratches and is shock resistant. Adhesive foam bits inside keep the key gently separated from the metal, preventing scratches. What we like. This key fob cover is made of durable aluminum metal, protecting your key fob from scratches and shocks. The cover is easy to install, ensuring your key fob remains in good condition. If you want to protect your key fob with a stylish and durable cover, you should consider this. What people say. This is well-designed product, it fit the Tesla key perfectly with no movement. Easy to install, have had it for almost a month, screws haven't backed out and it's very durable and feels good in the hand. This product is exactly as pictured. Looks good and the leather strap holding the key ring seems sturdy. It does not interfere at all with the RF signal to open the doors and start the car. Number 1. CNICK Titan 12 Smart Payment Ring. Introducing the CNICK Smart Payment Ring. This ring combines fashion and function, offering a seamless payment experience. With NFC technology, it allows for secure, contactless payments. Simply tap the ring to pay, making transactions quick and easy. The ring uses tokenization to protect your financial information. This adds an extra layer of security to every purchase you make. It is compatible with both Visa and MasterCard. You can use it at millions of locations worldwide. It also works as a key ring for Tesla Model S3 XYCT. It's a convenient way to unlock and start your Tesla. The ring is designed with style in mind. It's a fashionable accessory that complements your everyday look. What we like. This smart ring combines Tesla key functionality with contactless payment. It is compatible with Visa and MasterCard, offering a fashionable design. If you are looking for a key that offers both convenience and payment capabilities, this is the one for you. What people say. Tesla Ring Key Model Y works perfectly. The design is sleek and modern. It functions flawlessly with the Model Y. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.